Hello, good afternoon. Today's daily analysis video looking at the pairs which I feel have some merit in market today and we could potentially see some moves on. I'm going to make this a super quick video because I'm very late in posting, but that's all right. So let's take a look at what happened yesterday versus today and what we can see in the short term. So starting with NAS 100 as usual. We can see that price is in a bit of a consolidation phase per the 4 hour. We did have that break off the bearish rising wedge. Markets didn't fall as far as I thought it would. It looks like it's finding support here at 22,100, the level which is previous resistance. Now that price is broken above. However, we are very much in a consolidation phase, very narrow consolidation phase. So I wouldn't be looking for trades here right now until there's a clean momentum break of either 22232 or back below the 22,100 level. Price just seems to be hanging around in there. So yeah, taking this off the watch list for now until I see a clean break, which could potentially happen later today with the fundamental news release. Mm, Quickly analyzing US study, the reason why I'm not trading this pair is it is very much also in a consolidation phase per the 4 hour, trading above 43,887 and 45,000, which seems to be a major psychological level. It's been tested twice and has not broken through. Excuse me, it's been tested multiple times, as we had three touches there and we have two touches here, so five times. Um, in the short term scale, price has been trading above this level here of 44 150, 44 4 143. Actually, if I just move this up here, I can also see there is a level of support at 44 321. I'm seeing multiple weak rejections on the level. That's why I feel that there is validity to it. So yeah, very tight consolidation phase as per the 4 hour. That's why US study is not on my list. Moving on to gold. So gold has continued to make some highs. So from yesterday, we can see we had a bullish breakout. Excuse me. Yeah, after analyzing yesterday around 12 o'clock, we can see we had very much bullish move, which is in line with the consolidation phase that the price is currently in. It is currently trading, or it was currently trading between 2934 and 2881, I would like to say. So yeah, price was here in the middle, did make a shoot up to the upside. However, like I mentioned earlier, price for gold is very much in that overextended phase, and we are seeing bearish signs stepping into the market. If anything, I think these are signals, strong bearish signals that the bears are looking to step in, as we can see here on the 1 hour. Although price did break out, we do have um, we do have bearish divergence on the RSI, and I do expect price to fall sometime soon. So because it's in this overextended range, it has broken through this level of 2934, but I'm not looking to take longs in this position. If anything, I would be looking for short scalps. Now, with the signal provided here on the 1 hour, which is shooting star, evening star, I'm seeing the bears are taking control, and I could have potentially had an entry there, but we didn't have the signal for it just yet. So if I were to just mark that off there, coming back into the 15 minutes. So yeah, now we have a signal, a bearish signal, very bearish signal. So I would look for a nice little retracement, providing me with a pivot point, and then potentially take an entry with the stop loss above 2940, as it's above this level here. I do expect some type of retracement within the bullish zone before I look to take a short position. When taking the short position, I do acknowledge the support level here at 2927, so it would have to be a scalp. However, should this level hold, um, so essentially what I'll be looking is to take a high lot size position, scale down my entry once price reaches the 2927 level, and then let the remainder run potentially down to the trend line or down to this level of significance here at 2912 before I close out the rest of the position. Um, so yeah, right now looking for shorts with gold, so we'll keep that on the watch list. Taking a look at Bitcoin, so Bitcoin very much consolidation, so I'm not even trading that. Taking a look at Euro USD. So Euro USD seems to be moving bearish for the moment, but it is still within a bullish trend line. Now, that being said, price is very close to this bullish trend line. I'm not sure if I'll be looking for positions. I think this is a short-term movements, short-term strength with the dollar, and I do think we can see further downside with the dollar until policies are enacted and we actually get some strong fundamentals coming out of there. So for the time being, I could look for scalp opportunities. Best scalping opportunity I can see would be looking for shorts from this level here. So I'd expect price to come back, test this level at 1.044 and potentially see a bearish signal from there, which I can then short all the way down to the trend line, potentially at towards level 1.04 for that matter. I don't even want to say 1.39, 1.04, because I like to take my profits a bit earlier than before the pivot point takes place. That being said, looking at the 15-minute RSI, we can see that we are in the overextended region, so I do expect some type of move back up to that 1.044 level so I can find an entry. Taking a look at Euro JPY, still very much bearish. I did take some entries opportunity. I did take some short entries yesterday. However, it turns out that after I did my analysis, I was incorrect that the price was in a bit of a consolidation more than anything else, and my stop losses were hit, which is okay. It's just a part of trading. I am still looking to go short on this pair. As you can see, we've broken below that support structure at 158.5. And so I would look for a retest in that potential vicinity. We could get a retest at 158.445 as well. So I'll be keeping my eyes peeled for that type of trade. I do see minimal bullish divergence right here. So I do expect price to move up. We have already had a move up, but I still feel price can push higher towards that 158.445 level or to the 158.5 level, which is where I'll be looking for a short entry. Just for confluence for the rest of the pairs, we can see that USD JPY, that the dollar and yen has found some type of stability and is currently trading a consolidation. So I wouldn't say there's any strength between these two pairs. I did try and trade the short yesterday, where I thought I saw yen strength off this move here. However, price did move back up. So that's okay. That's part of trading. Within AUD JPY, nothing really to report. We can see we're moving within a triangle here. Not looking for any entries until this triangle is broken either to the upside or the downside. Taking a look at AUD USD, I was looking for long entries here. I didn't find any that were worth taking due to the volatility. Here, price to come back down, retest. This was outside of my trading zone, so I didn't take that opportunity. So yeah, leave it be. Just taking a look at the pairs. Yeah, these very much pound weakness, but consolidating phase. So with that being said, we could see pops off this level here. We could see a pop off this level here as well. So yeah, no real signal, and I prefer trading with the trend, which would be to look for longs. And currently, it seems that we are in a very deep retracement right now, and I would not be looking for opportunities there. USD CHF. This is actually one trade that did work out. So I'm actually in a US CHF, excuse me, a CHF JPY trade. I don't know why I said USD CHF. I think I was just thinking about USD CAD. So anyway, CHF JPY did get into a good trade here. Trade is currently running in profits, looking for further shorting opportunities, which I could potentially see an entry right now. I am going to actually test this out. So the reason why this is an entry, we have a break of support followed by a retest and three three black crows, which is a bearish signal. So solid entry, stop loss at 168.180, and I'll be looking to trade it to a 1:3 risk to reward ratio, even potentially taking it all the way down to that trend line there. So I would need to further analyze that. And the tool I use to analyze this is something I actually made, just a very basic trade log. What I do is I put in my account size there, and then I put in my stop loss right there, my entry price there. This is for a shorting opportunity, so we can fill that out. And then based upon my account size, risking 2% only, it gives me a lot size that I can then use to trade with. So let's actually fill in these amounts. I'm going to do it off screen and see what is happening. So 168.8 or 180. So 168.180. That's my stop loss. Current price is 167.850. So my lot size will be 0.02. So let's get a trade entry going in there. I quite like that signal. I think it's pretty strong, and I'll be entering on my phone. So just a quick look at, let's take, no, I think I'm going to do a separate fundamental video. I think this video is 10 minutes. It's perfect. And yeah, that's just my analysis of the pairs which I'm taking a look at. I hope the mic quality is better in this video. And as always, please subscribe. Please send me a message if you want to analyze some pairs together. And also, please note that this is just my personal opinion of what is going on in the markets and is not financial advice at all. Hope you enjoyed and catch you in the next video.